guys, welcome back. Today we're playing Bowen 737. Yeah. Today I'm gonna not recreate the video, but just base it off of the video that is gonna hit 20k views. Thank you guys for making a video that is 20k. Everything revolver. Let's just blow up a door. Just trying to find the door. Yep. Oh, there we are. Okay. Oh no, Belle! No! No! Don't float me off. Pal, you okay? You don't want to go down there. Trust me. You're good. Goodbye. Why are you naked too? Oh no. Okay, that's sad. Wait, what's down there? Those tree. Okay, there's fire. Okay. Turn it off. Alright. Oh, this guy's already, let's just say he had a good sleep. He's technically dead. Oh, there goes his eye. Let's get some rest in peace chats. R.I.P. in the chats. Same with this guy. Sorry, man. So, today we are hijacking a plane. Sorry, Karen. Not sorry. I'm not sorry about that, Karen. Literally. All right, we gotta throw this out the window. Okay, that's cool. I'm hijacking the cockpit. Beeping. That's not good. Oh well. Hey guys, how's the party back here? Good? Well, I want you to stay back. Far away as possible. Hey, what did I say about... Oh, now I'm stuck. Oh, no, I'm not. Boy, you're gonna be on fire. Get out of here. Get in the seat. Just like Karen. Because I am hijacking this plane. I am hijacking. Ah! No, I died. Dang it. Okay. Still gonna hijack this plane. Oh, there goes the cockpit. Few more. Let's get some C4. Yeah, this plane's gonna go. Is there anyone here? Oh, shoot, there is. Alright, sorry guys. I want you to sit in your seat. Hey Karen, sorry about this. Trying to rescue people. This is not safe. Oh my. Oh no. Oh no. They're dead, aren't they? Oh no. Karen's head. Oh well. Sorry, Karen. What's this? Yeah, they... Wait, what? Oh, deceased. Yep. Ah! Oh, ah. Oh, an explosion. Are we going down? No? Huh, surprised. Let's plant more C4. Ah! I'm dying. I'm stuck, too. Okay, I'm in flying mode. I know that's sort of cheating, but... Ah, dying. Oh, Karen, I'm sorry. Alright, now we have to go all the way back here. Alright, guys. Here's the fun. Oh, my computer. My computer is not liking this. Oh, there goes the wire. Oh, wait, are we falling? Wait, imagine we are. Oh, wait, we might be actually falling. Oh, yeah, we're falling. Back! We're falling! No way! This is actually sick. Well, My hijacking plan worked. Are we actually falling, or is... I know, I'm just looking if we're actually falling. Somehow, we are not. That is, though. Oh, I know why. Okay, I think we lost the wing. But somehow there's a wing right here. Oh, never mind, we're falling. Yep. Alright, time to get in. Never mind, we're falling. Okay, guys. Buckle in. We're falling. Is there any more survivors? Karen? Yes, another Karen. Thank goodness there's someone alive. Thank God. My computer's not liking this. My FPS. Oh my. Are we falling? Or is it just me? Pretty sure we are falling. Never mind, we're actually still flying somehow. Hey. Oh, that's why. There's still a wing. This game literally makes no sense. Oh no. Oh no. Yep, my computer is not like that. How is that the tiny bit that's holding it? Run! Oh no. Wait, what? Is it broken or something? Oh, there. I think now the plane is falling. How? Oh well. Oh no. My computer is not enjoying this at all. Look at my FPS right now. Oh no. Guys, I'm so sorry for this to be lagging. I don't have that good of a RAM, so. Oh man. I just want you guys to see how it's like to be falling. There we are, and then boom. Boom. Yes. Well, okay, yep, we're falling. Karen! Karen, no! Karen! Ah! Oh no. Yep, we're dead. Wait, where's Karen? Karen! Wait, where's Karen? Oh. I don't know how I'm still alive, but I'm alive. Well, I think it's time to wrap up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little... I honestly don't know how that's still flying while the cockpit is gone. Let's just have some fireworks for 20K views. And for 112 subscribers. I cannot forget that too.